He stood at the edge, face red from the fire, waiting for his life to end. One moment of wonder and the power of thunder had left his young life rent. Had it come to the mountain without the fountain of youth on which they rode? Would she be lying and the fire dying on the other side of the road? Down the highway wildly flying like eagles on the ground. The road was wet when they went to the cliff, and to the air they were bound. They thought they could fly into the night sky to the morning sun. The ground come up and knocked them down, and then their ride was done. Sunset light on the midnight night from the fire on the hill. The white bike was burning, his soul was churning, her body lay so still. Then out of the night and into the light, watched her walk away as the fire crinkled the broken flesh that then is today. Stood at the edge, face red from the fire, begging for his life to end. One moment of wonder, the power of thunder had left his young life spent. Had he come to the mountain without the fountain, youth on which they rode? Would he be lying in the fire, dying on the other side of the road?